What am I doing here? I am making new pomegranate trees. I trimmed our pomegranate tree at the growing home a few days ago, and I saved some cuttings from that, and then I'm chopping them up to make new trees. So you want to do this when your tree is dormant in the winter. That's the only time you can make cuttings from pomegranate, and I'm going to show you how to chop it up so that it roots properly. No rooting hormone needed. These are actually really easy to do. Alright, so you see this branch here? All I need is one of these buds for new growth to come out of, and one of these buds for roots to come out of. So leaves here, roots here, and then I'm going to chop it kind of like this at an angle so that the cutting can absorb water from the soil. The more of an angle you cut it at, the more water it can absorb. So here's my cutting ready to go. One set of nodes here at the top for foliage, and another set of nodes here at the bottom for roots to grow, and then that angled cut. And I'm just gonna come over here and stick this in this pot. Boom! New pomegranate tree. Super easy. So now that I got these all potted up, I think I have like 20 or 22 here. The key is just to keep it moist and don't let it dry out. And as soon as you start to see new growth, you know that roots are coming out, and then you want to start potting it up. Once you have a little, 3-4 inches of growth in it, move it up to a bigger size. And my grandpa was just telling me he was using some sticks of pomegranate to stake up another small plant, and he had stuck one pomegranate branch right side up, the other one upside down, and both of them rooted, and now he's got an upside down pomegranate tree. So I don't know how that's gonna end up, but I'm waiting to go over there and see it, because that's just pretty damn funny. I also did all these fig cuttings, same process like the pomegranate, absolutely no difference. I also trimmed the fig tree. So I figured, what the hell, let's make like 40 fig trees. So you can use this same process with pomegranate, fig, grape, and some types of mulberry. There's other trees as well, and there's lots of plants you can make cuttings from this way. But those are the ones where the common fruit trees that you can do. You cannot do Pakistani mulberry. Other mulberries you can do this way. So hope this helps you grow some more fruit trees on your property. I have so many fruit trees, I just don't know what to do with them, but I'm addicted to fruit and growing fruit trees, so you just got to do it.